In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find archived channels in Slack. When a project ends or a channel is no longer active, archiving it is a great way to keep your Slack workspace organized without deleting anything important. Archived channels disappear from your main channel list, but the message, history, shared files, and links inside them are still preserved. That means you can go back and review past conversations whenever you need to. Before we begin, there's one important privacy note to keep in mind. You can only view an archived channel if you already had access to it before it was archived. If it was a private channel, it will stay invisible to anyone who is not already a member. Public archived channels, however, can still be browsed by workspace members. If you're using Slack on a desktop app or in a web browser, start by opening Slack and looking at the left sidebar. Click More or Directories. In some workspaces, you may see a channel section directly instead, and that works too. Once the directory opens, click the Channels tab to bring up the full list of channels available to you. At the top of that list, find the filter options and open in the channel type dropdown. It may say something like all channels or any type of channel by default. Change that setting to archived channels. Slack will immediately update the list so you only see archived channels. From there, you can scroll through the list or use the search bar to look for a specific channel by name. Once you find it, click it to open the conversation history. If you're on mobile, open the Slack app and go to the Home tab. Scroll down to the Channels section and tap the plus button next to it, or tap Browse Channels if that appears on your screen. When the channel list opens, tap the filter button in the top right area. In the filter settings, change the channel status to archived channels. After that, you can browse the results or use the search box to find the channel you want, then tap it to read through the saved discussion. There's also a faster desktop method if you already know the channel name or a topic that was discussed there. Click the search bar at the top of Slack or use the shortcut to jump to it. Enter your search term or search using the channel name format. If search results appear, make sure to enable the option to include archived channels. Then click the matching result to jump straight into that archived channel. If you need to make the channel active again, open the archived channel, click the channel name at the top, go to Settings, and choose Unarchive this channel. That's it, and thanks for watching.